Okay, so here is my latest hairstyle. I'm so in love with this because I feel so fresh. So I cut it, obviously I cut it down just, you know, above the shoulder, and it looks insane. And oh my god, even the color looks so fresh. Oh my god, I'm in love with this. And this whole video is fake. Okay, enjoy. Apparently haircutting videos do really well on this channel. She just loved the internet. On the 3rd December of 2018, I screenshotted this picture of Dua Lipa. She looks absolutely stunning. She's got a very simplistic kind of a look going on, but one thing that struck me of her really cool haircut. She's got a very simple haircut, but it's very edgy. She's got a very simple yet elegant yet classy haircut going on, and today I'm going to try to recreate this haircut on my wig. The reason that I'm going to be doing it on my wig is because A, I really like my own hair, thank you very much, and B is because I'm going to try to fool people on Instagram into making them believe that I actually cut my own hair, because I'm going to also dye this wig into the actual color of my current hair color, which is kind of purple. I have leftover dye from when I actually did dye my hair that color, so I'm just gonna put that all over whatever is going to remain of this wig, and hopefully we can troll people on Instagram. Subscribe to this channel if you're not previously subscribed so you won't miss out fun things like this, and also follow me on Instagram so you can actually see how it unfolded, because by then obviously this video will have gone up. Whatever. Okay, cool. Also, I wish to clarify, I'm not cutting the wig on myself. So here is my wig. I just literally rinsed it really quickly because I am going to be cutting this because it's easier. I've just parted the hair down the middle, or whatever I think is the middle, since it is a wig and it's probably going to shift completely when it's on me. I'm gonna go for kind of a one length bob, shorter in the back, longer in the front. All right. Hi, this is how I cut my hair, my wig. I think this was a mission accomplished on the fake haircut tutorial, because let me just tell you, I went down like this to my sister and she's like, did you cut your hair? And I'm like, girl, no, it's a wig, but oh my god, I can't believe how realistic it came looking. Oh my god. Okay, so first of all, if we're just looking at the wig aspect, it's a gorgeous wig. I think the cut turned out amazing. It's literally exactly how I wanted it. I am living for this, okay? This just above the shoulder bob. I think it's amazing. The vanity is seeping through, as it always does when I get a new hairdo, whatever. Now, in terms of it looking like my hair, I sent a picture to my boyfriend and wait, okay. Hey babe, and I put a picture of my face, okay, with the hair, and she's like, holy fuck, you cut your hair. And I'm like, god no, but don't tell anyone. I'm gonna see how many people fall for it. I think it looks pretty damn believable. Now I'm just saying that because obviously I'm the one who did it. And I mean, this is the second day I'm working on this wig, so... So I was going to actually glue this wig down because that is how I prefer to wear my wigs nowadays, you know, better longevity and whatnot. But I thought that since my actual hair color is this exact color, I thought I'd actually not glue it down, both to see just how it looks when you don't glue it down, but also so I could pull out some baby hair to further try to mimic, you know, my real hair. I'm gonna put the whole entire procedure down in the description box below because you should definitely give this go again. I also hope that this video kind of showed you why having a wig can be nice. It's amazing if you have a bad hair day. It's amazing if you really want to fool people into thinking you changed your hair color, your hair length, your hairstyle. Cool, everything is gonna be down in the description box below. The wig itself originally was by Perfect Lace Wigs. It already came with dark roots, so that was amazing for me because I naturally have at the moment dark roots. So yes, that is kind of it for this video. I do hope you kind of get inspired to do something different with your hair, with your wig. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll give it a go, and I will see you in my next video.